Hey everyone, so we are starting a massive project at our rental property, repainting all the trim in our 4-unit, 3-story building on site. One issue that we're running into is algae. And I mean this kind of algae, not this kind. Seriously, what's going on here? Some of the trim surfaces that we need to paint are covered in algae. When you're repainting your exterior, you need a good surface for the paint to stick to. Paint won't stick well to dirt, peeling paint, or algae. So we're going to show you the method that we use to clean the algae off of our trim. This method works best on smooth surfaces, probably not something like bare wood. You can use this method on trim that's in good condition, but you're just trying to clean it up, or trim that you're planning to paint. This is a really easy step that you can add into your painting project. So a lot of the exterior trim, especially along the baseboards in the back of the house, are covered with not only dirt, but also algae. So once we scrape off all the paint and just wipe it down with a dry towel to get all the dust off, then we're spraying with a vinegar and water solution just once. It kind of breaks up some of the algae and dirt, and then we wipe it off with a clean sponge. And then we do a second rinse with an even cleaner sponge and cleaner water to get that ready for painting with the primer coat. First, make sure to scrape off any loose paint and then wipe with a dry towel. If you have algae on the surface to be painted, spray it with the vinegar solution and let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes. Then wipe with a wet sponge, rinse out the sponge, and wipe it down again. The surface should be ready to be painted once it dries. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel right here. If you run into a stubborn patch like this, just grab a scrubby pad. It can usually do the trick. I am stunned at how much better these baseboards look after we cleaned off all of the algae. Using the vinegar and water solution was so quick and really effective and non-toxic. We have the peace of mind knowing that we are protecting all the original wood that went into this 130-year-old building with paint that's going to have a really strong bond to the surface.